All right, drink we're about to make is called Flaming Giraffe. That sounds sad, doesn't it? It's actually a very tasty shot. All right, we're going to get a double, something that can fit a double shot in it. So this glass will do here. And we're going to measure out 2 ounces of Kahlua. And make sure you add the alcohols in this order, okay? There we go. 2 ounces of Kahlua. And 1 ounce of butterscotch schnapps. There we go. And the last thing you're going to do is add 1 ounce of 151 proof rum. There we go. And now grab a match or a lighter and some friends to watch. Go ahead and set the drink on fire. The 151 should light pretty easily. And let it sit, enjoy the luster of the flames, blow it out, and take it down. Flaming Giraffe, bottoms up.